Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. This price forecast for SHIB will surprise you. Shiba Inu News 2023. As investors sing and dance in the wake of a New Year's relief surge, the Shiba Inu price is about to make another positive breakout. SHIB now has 24-hour gains of 6.6%, weekly gains of 16.1%, and 2-week gains of 19%. This video will discuss how this SHIB price prediction will surprise you. Shiba Inu News 2023. If you want to read our most recent articles on Shiba Inu price forecasts and professional analysis, don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the video now without further ado. The most recent data shows an 18% increase in daily trading volume to $364 million, indicating that investors are concentrating on acquiring SHIB tokens in anticipation of another large gain. Shiba Inu has gotten a little bit closer to during the past several weeks to become the 15th largest crypto asset. With a $5.3 billion market cap, Shiba Inu's price is currently $0.971, and bulls and sellers are squabbling at $0.01. By breaking through this barrier, SHIB might soar to 20 cents during the weekend and pave the stage for profits of $0.013 and $0.114, respectively. SHIB is once again among the most often utilized smart contracts among the top 500 Ethereum whales, according to data just made available by WhaleStats, a cryptocurrency company that tracks huge transactions. Shiba Inu also showed up on Friday in the list of smart contracts for the top 1,000 largest Ethereum whales. Below ETH BOBA, NMR ETH USDT, and USDT, Shiba Inu was the 7th most utilized contract. Among the top 5,000 Ethereum whales, Shiba Inu is the token that is traded the most. With the moving average convergence divergence indicator, buyers are in the driving seat. When the MACD moved over the signal line, the signal flashed in addition to being a buy. The momentum indicator continued to incline upward toward the average line. After the 50-day EMA passes over the 100-day EMA, investors who are betting on long positions in Shiba Inu prices may still do so. Shiba Inu longs are most secure somewhat above $0.01. The bullish outlook in Shiba Inu price is affirmed by its immediate resistance insights from blockchain data as presented by the block using the in-out of the money around price model, possibly up until the massive seller congestion zone at $0.0011 has been tagged with roughly 20,000 addresses purchased, or roughly 77 trillion in that zone. Shiba Inu is not well supported according to the IO map, thus traders should proceed with caution. However, given the rising trade volume, it would not be wise to short SHIB. The supply of Shiba Inu has dramatically decreased since the start of the token burn process. There are now only 571 trillion coins left in existence after the supply was reduced by almost 410 trillion. Despite the fact that 18 trillion tokens have been staked across numerous platforms, the burn rate will increase considerably once Shibarium, a new protocol under development to increase SHIB scalability, launches. The launch of Shibarium in the first quarter of 2023 may spur a surge in the price of Shiba Inus. Shiba Inu coin has recently displayed outstanding performance, with the charts indicating a 17% growth in 2023. Nevertheless, despite this stellar success, investor confidence in SHIB has drastically decreased. Because of this, the proportion of active wallets has been decreasing while that of selling investors has been fast rising. Investors have expressed dissatisfaction with the Shiba Inu project. This project started as a meme-coin because it had no use. Even though the team has been working to make this coin useful, little has been accomplished. SHIB was one of the biggest losers in the cryptocurrency market last year because of this token with the idea of investors in the dock. Shiba Inu also appeared to be fairly excited about the changes in the value of the digital asset as January comes to a conclusion, and SHIB has a good start in 2023. According to the most current round of votes cast by members of the cryptocurrency community, SHIB is expected to trade at an average price of $0.010,439 on January 31, 2023. The most recent forecast for the decentralized financing market can be seen using the platform's price estimate dated January 12. The end of January DeFi asset price is the result of 1497 prestige votes, and it represents a $0.1336 gain over Shiba Inu's current price. Shiba Inu is currently trading at $0.9156, an increase of 2.38% daily, and a double-digit increase overall of 7.69%. SHIB has been oscillating upwards since the beginning of the year along with the other assets in the crypto industry, adding $600 million to its market value, which is now $5.2 billion, according to TradingView. For the time being, technical analysis indicators on one-day gauges are still quite optimistic, with their summary indicating a sell at 14. These findings are an amalgamation of oscillators that indicate to neutrality at 9. Buy at 9 instead of selling at 5 and neutral at 1, according to moving averages that indicate 1 for sell and 1 for buy at the same moment. Notably, the artificial intelligence that uses indicators, such as moving average, MA, moving average, convergence divergence, MACD relative strength RSI, and Bollinger Bands BB, among others, projects that SHIB is likely to trade at 0.0 by the end of January, a bearish price projection. Shiba Inu was now only worth 13 trillion. On January 10th, SHIB tokens became unstaked, but they have since been able to pick up where they left off, continuing to be one of the most popular cryptocurrencies on the market. Since Elon Musk took over Twitter, the performance of Dogecoin has been outstanding. Now that Musk is the official CEO of Twitter, the massive social media network is already undergoing significant changes as a result of his leadership. When Musk suggested on Twitter that he will soon be accepting cryptocurrency payments, the value of Dogecoin increased. The trading volume for both Shiba Inu has increased dramatically in the meanwhile. Since Elon Musk took over Twitter, Dogecoin has had great success. For instance, following Musk's lifting of the Twitter ban, Doge surged 7%. The Tesla owner has teased future developments on a few Dogecoin accounts on the social media network, hinting to Dogecoin emerging as a major participant there. It appears that Elon Musk wants to make Dogecoin the dominant cryptocurrency in 2023. Is it even feasible then? Because Musk will have suffered a significant financial loss in Tesla by 2022. Many cryptocurrency observers are wondering about whether Dogecoin would eventually replace Bitcoin as the default payment method on Twitter as a result of Musk's Twitter 2.0 project. The social microblogging site will soon include payments, according to Musk's Twitter 20 vision. The implementation of the payments, however, is still a mystery. However, a lot of people think they'll be in Dogecoin, Musk's preferred token, which will increase interest in and demand for it. Shiba Inu has persisted in drawing cryptocurrency investors despite the current bear market conditions. Shiba Inu long-term owners have increased by 45% recently. This claim refers to Shiba Inu and other memecoins' rising popularity. The price of the Shiba Inu token has surged over the past few weeks as a result of the increased interest in memecoins brought on by Elon Musk's comments following his acquisition of Twitter. Musk's preferred Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, is a dog-themed memecoin. Shiba Inu continues to attract new investors who are joining on board. Based on how it has performed in the past, Shiba Inu is predicted to recapture some of its prior glory if the market turns bullish following a protracted downward trend. Therefore, it is understandable why Shiba Inu continues to hold on to a small but devoted following. Binance purportedly transferred 4 million Shiba Inu to an unidentified cryptocurrency wallet, as mentioned in recent tweets by the well-known Twitter whale tracker account Whale Alert. This is one of the biggest transactions a whale account has made this year for a Shiba Inu. SHIB worth $36 million was later staked by the Binance exchange, according to Shibburn, a website for tracking tokens. Shiba Inu staked exactly 4 million Shiba Inu on the DEX exchange Shiba Swap, according to Burns of Shiba Inu, who had closely watched the transaction. Binance had also carried out a SHIB transaction worth $116,231,611 prior to staking the tokens. The tokens were first baked, and then soon after, the cryptocurrency exchange withdrew them. I'm done for today. To view our most recent content, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel.